In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a playlist on YouTube. Maybe you created a playlist a while ago that you don't need anymore, or you just want to tidy up your channel and remove some old collections. Whatever the reason, deleting a playlist is quick and simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube's homepage. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the playlist you want to delete. This is important because you can only delete playlists that are associated with the account you're currently logged into. If you have multiple Google accounts, double check that you're on the right one by looking at the profile picture in the top right corner. Once you're on YouTube and signed in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see the main navigation menu with options like Home, Subscriptions, and so on. In that list, find and click on the option labeled Playlists. If you don't see the menu right away, you might need to click the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon, in the top left corner to expand it. After you click on Playlists, YouTube will show you a page with all the playlists associated with your account. Take a moment to scroll through and identify the playlist you want to remove. If you have a lot of playlists, it may help to look for the thumbnail, image, or the title that stands out. Next, move your mouse over the playlist you want to delete. You'll see three vertical dots appear next to that playlist. These dots usually indicate more options on YouTube. Click on those three dots to open a small menu. In this menu, you'll see several options related to managing the playlist. Look for the option that says Delete. Go ahead and click on Delete. At this point, YouTube may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the playlist. This is your last chance to change your mind, because once the playlist is deleted, the collection itself is gone. The individual videos will still exist on YouTube, but they will no longer be grouped together in that playlist. Confirm the deletion, and that's it. The playlist will disappear from your list, and your YouTube dashboard will be one step cleaner and more organized.